What is going on, guys? Got the GT500 here. Everybody keeps telling me you got to put exhaust on it. You got to put exhaust on it. So I've been looking around and finally ran across an SLP kit. Has the mufflers. It's all stainless. So I didn't really want the car to be super loud. I didn't want to go with any of the, the Borla attacks that are extremely loud. A lot of these get drone inside the car, and I really just didn't want that. So I found this SLP kit, found a smoking deal on it. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed and see what it sounds like. Alright, to install this exhaust, first thing we got to get the car jacked up in the back, just give you a little more room to work. Already done that. Then we'll come right underneath. We've got a band clamp there we need to loosen. And then right up here, there's a hanger. There's one bolt there, the other bolt right there. We need to remove both those. And then the hangers up front, the muffler actually just slide backwards and out of the hangers back here. All right, now we got this muffler out. We took our clamp off here. We're gonna use it to put this piece back on. This is going to the factory exhaust, and this side slides into the muffler. Now what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to remove this hanger off of the factory muffler, bolt it back on the vehicle, and then we can connect this through this hanger. Now we've got that factory hanger bolted back on the car, and I've got my first piece of pipe put in here. As you can see, it goes up through the factory hanger. We use our factory clamp up front. So we've got the passenger side all done. Got our tip on with the clamp here. We're in our factory hanger. Clamp on here, up into the factory hanger, and then we use that factory clamp to connect it all to the factory exhaust. Now we'll move on to the driver's side. All right, we got the driver's side done now. It was the exact same procedure as the passenger. Probably took about an hour and a half. Let's get this thing taken down off the jack and stands and see how it sounds. Thoughts overall on the exhaust. My first thought is you should subscribe to the channel. But that exhaust, it sounds good. It is just barely louder than the stock GT500 mufflers, to be honest. I think this would be a really good exhaust for somebody with a GT that just wanted to make their car just a little louder, sound a little bit more like the GT500s. Once again, it is a little bit louder than the stock mufflers on the Shelby, but barely at all. It does have a good sound to it. Now this is the SLP Power Flow, I believe is what they call it, which is basically the SLP kit with the muffler. Now the SLP Loudmouth, on the other hand, it doesn't have muffler, so that's going to be way louder than this one is. So keep that in mind, and I'll see you guys next time.